Morning.
Right.
Hey, this is Ouch Palangi Show on a Monday morning,
Dono binaka.
the 23rd of September 2024.
Right. Pabri binaka mali by Punzo's new cream biscuits, so creamy in every bite.
Iyo.
And on a bit to call it to NFA sing it to the Sara.
Iyo.
Moni chicken of Rumbuka and a book of the Ouch Palangi Show.
Well, good morning to you too, Mikael and Galombula and Tunisia Kurumundo. Thank you very much for the lovely morning. It's a 23rd September now. The month is going down,
Right.
and the new month is coming up,
Right.
and the year is about to end.
Yeah.
And you being prepared for the last days of the week.
Right.
That coming again for this month.
Right. Yeah.
Thank you very much for your hard work.
Right.
Thank you very much for being good to your neighbor.
Okay.
Right, yeah.
Thank you very much for loving yourself.
Okay.
Thank you very much for loving your family.
Right.
Thank you very much for being good
Right.
to your boss
It's,
and your working surrounding.
Last week Friday,
Yeah.
I went to Nemalabao.
Yeah.
I took some gang in from Nosori.
You?
And when we were going in, they listening to you in the Dandragamudegu.
Who's?
You, Yus, and you to us.
Yusuf.
And some. Listening in the Dandragamudegu. And all the
Wey.
boys are sitting at the back there laughing. Eh?
Oi, oi,
Hey,
oi.
listen to him, listen to him.
Yeah.
You know, when Toto was telling the story about drinking gorong in Kadingam.
Yeah.
And he said, I came like this on Rawaderi.
Yeah.
And you asked Tutua, you and who?
Yeah, yeah.
And all the gang in the car laughing. And listen to him, listen to him. That's the dog, the dog.
Oh, thank you very much to all the listeners who are joining this
The
morning.
boys from Obea.
Oh, Obea Ambau Telebu, thank you very
And,
much.
yeah.
Good morning to all the villagers from the southern Telebu.
Right.
Thank you to the northern part of Telebu.
Right.
To the Lomaibiti group.
Yeah.
Ayatulau group.
Yeah.
And also to Malolo side.
Right.
Ayatu Esawa.
Bolam,
From Namosi,
Yeah.
Naronga.
Uh-huh.
From
And let's sing the
Nitasiri.
Kandavu na kakeveng.
Bonua Lebu.
Right.
To all the
Plenty
peoples-
Kandavu.
to all the peoples from Benga,
Right.
and all to Serua,
Right.
and to my village
Yeah.
of Mbulia Onokandavu. Thank you very much for loving your neighbor.
Have
This
you
morning.
been to your village?
Come,
Have you been to your village?
Namalata. When I reach Namalata, I see Mbulia.
Oh, you and you married to Ropati?
Ay, nare.
Ano ba ratu binabalib sa raturangan sa mga may namalata may kandavu.
Yeah.
And ropaten rosi kina
Right.
matabale.
Ano
Ano binaka ngone and mataga binaka dikwa.
During the walking down to Namalata for the Namalata Sevens last year,
Right.
we went together with one fella here, Chewe,
Chewe.
Redstone Kandavu.
Right.
Kuranita.
From Solondamu in Kandavu.
Okay,
So
okay.
he's staying now in Kinoya.
Yeah.
The fella told me, come, how?
Yeah.
Iwala. Iske,
Iko kilaya?
iko kilaya?
Yeah.
No, hamaran ausa tulu ka usin kila.
Ano na janta?
Otia sa
Mango.
that's him.
Yeah.
Hawango who's?
Yeah.
Atino ka that's Ono, the island of Ono, it's Mbulia.
Oi.
It's close to Suba.
Yeah.
It's far to Namalata.
Oi, you swim?
Iyo eh?
Yeah,
You swim?
swim sinay na uto.
Wawa.
Yeah.
O Mbulia vole kay Suba.
Yeah. Close to Suba. They come and buy bread here in Suba.
Oi!
Lingon si
And
talaga.
go back to the village of Mbulia.
Yeah.
So
Saan
very
sila?
close to Suba,
Iyo.
very far to Namalata.
Malam muli ako subo chunga.
Saan sina?
So that's how we are from Suba too.
Wala. Ano binaka vindo mo Beti Berata, John Kumar, Tony Kandipa, ano binaka Juliet Margaret Kavi, ano binaka Wilson, iyo, ano binaka crew ni Anrabongi, and MC Head Abattoir, may Malebani, ano mataka binaka ni Kwa.
I would like to say good morning to Mbukoro and also to Mido. Thank you very much for joining this morning to Mr. and Mrs. Ratunra.
Right.
And congratulations for the wedding ceremony on Friday.
Okay.
And also to Mesa.
Iyo.
Mesa, Ratunisinga,
Yeah.
Kali.
Alright.
They come, I go.
Why?
Why?
No, because we during the starting of the game.
Why you study? Wait for the sudden death.
Not for the Sunday death. I just want to quick tap and run. Yeah. From there, I went home. I told the mommy of the children.
Yeah.
I'm.
Which mommy?
The one mommy.
Oh,
So I will feel
guilty.
Don't worry. Matabelewai.
Okay, you just tell the mommy of the children, the three, you want to sleep.
Yeah, I want to sleep.
Mamadengo.
I want to relax.
Iya.
So you can go.
Iya.
Oi.
And,
I thought you sleep.
mulai toko ni ruto na
Right.
for the
Rest of the family.
Right. Nasok,
Okay. Bukan ni kan buni sok ni pong mawe na mado sa uch.
Don't know.
Kita ni taga na biyo kanin ko ni na maru tagit suka ng buldi bubali na biyo singa todo kosar.
Right.
And our story this morning.
Okay, this is a story, sometime when we drink medicine,
Right.
it got a side effect, not a side effect,
Yeah.
the contribution to our body.
All
Yeah.
If you want to lose weight, some of us, we drink water with soda, but it's healthy.
So
Yeah,
das.
maybe.
Maybe.
So
that's
that's
what
what now.
na buwaka. Eh, natawalin daw kanina buwaka.
Yeah, so that's.
Yeah.
So
Dustpen.
that's-
Yeah, that means.
That's dustpen. Mix.
Yeah, Millie Mix.
So that's. So that's what we're ito.
Binaka.
Right.
Yeah, isa.
Ako si Masya.
Kiron. Ano ba naka manuve na kidney center may kino eh.
Good
Managera.
night. Before continue with the story, good morning to Nalebuyaka
Yeah.
and also to our sister Queenie and
Andra.
other two girls,
Right.
to Milika and Eggy,
Right.
and not forgetting Balsi, Bawa, they joining this morning.
Yeah,
Ano
Kiron.
bro?
So from then,
Yeah.
this why when we drink herbal medicine,
Right.
sometimes we lose weight.
Right.
When we go somewhere,
Here.
when think bad about somebody,
Right.
like Mondo Bubu,
Yeah.
you can feel the outer cell of your body will
Correct.
lose.
Yeah.
Lut na ngom.
Oi.
So, this one was, before way back, sometimes when I was in primary school,
Yeah.
in the village, there are certain house
Right.
that they only got TV.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're watching video.
Right. Screen.
So, screen.
Right.
So, in the village, we don't have the electricity, the normal one like this.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
You have to buy your own generator.
Yeah.
You have to buy your own TV.
Right.
You have to buy your own everything.
Right.
So
Fuel.
the fuel and everything. So
Right.
everybody, like for me, we don't have the TV like that.
Yeah.
So we are like to our grandpa for our watching.
Right. Grandpa's house.
Grandpa's house. Sometimes they, why no TV? Why not watching today?
Yeah.
Because we don't have the
No benzene.
no benzene.
Yeah.
No premix like that. So we have to put in, we buy premix and we give.
Right.
Oh, one new movie here.
It's the kerosene.
In the CDs.
Yeah.
Kerosene ko na paramas. So then, take it. So
Yeah.
we take it, we go.
Yeah.
So
The tape,
sometimes,
before the
because the tape,
Yeah.
we used to roll back the tape,
Yeah.
Yeah.
the cassette.
Yeah. Cassette.
We roll back the cassette.
Start
So
Videotape.
start again.
Videotape.
Yeah, videotape.
Yeah.
So when you want to watch the backward,
Yeah.
you remove the tape.
Yeah.
One sasa
Sasa.
broom,
Yeah.
you roll back.
Yeah.
You roll back. Sa the kids nowadays they don't.
Because the
know.
rewind not working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when like
Manual.
this, when the thing does not catch enough,
Yeah.
it's like forming the rain inside the TV.
Yeah.
Camera mirror to bango.
Yeah.
Hey, tawa.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. From there,
Yeah.
we know when something happened because we normally had that every day.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
When we got something like when you
Sa boleh siguro sini kan tekla di sa on na tape.
Iya.
Hindi pa kay ngian na
Iya,
engine.
beba tunggu.
Yeah.
Nangor sa on kina sa biun sa on takina PowerPoint ni TV.
Yeah. Right. Go to pick
Changing
up.
gear.
Yeah,
Pick up,
changing
pick up.
the pickup,
Yeah.
So from there,
Yeah.
we know something.
Yeah.
Oh, the TV is on. Come. We go.
Let's go. Pip.
Ayo,
Let's
sana.
go. Sometimes when you go and watching,
Yeah.
we don't have money.
Yeah.
We just give firewood.
All right.
We just give one coconut.
Right.
It's
May
like
sautu
that.
ni Sarlealo.
May sautu ni Sarlealo.
Yeah.
So we go. So from there we had the broom. When you have the broom,
The sound.
When you have the broom like this,
Oh, sado mo na kanya lalo.
oh, the movie is on.
Yeah.
So Ili,
Wawa. Wait. Yeah.
so Ili was Ili go and check.
Check.
Check if the thing on you. Ooh. Yeah, me
what?
code my
Code.
Yo, ooh.
Yeah.
Me code my camera to
Colas,
the
Yeah.
So from there, the Ili no. Ooh.
Oy.
Yeah.
O sa ngabal.
From there, he watching going up, going down, going up, going down.
Yeah.
So Mbukoro was sitting in front of the house.
Yeah.
One billiard center there.
Close to that movie house.
Yeah, to his own. So billiard he was sitting, and he see Ili up, down, up, down.
Malay na to.
Malay na to. Namurang na mo. So from there, sa Tarsari ng Bukoro,
Right.
Ili, ada ba? Pas la ko ili. Movie
Ili
up.
belai cek cukup.
Imele check. Going down ni sengone. Up and down saya berkan bukoro ili.
Iya.
You know that kind of
Makumbungu.
makumbungu maku.
Iya.
You know that kind of movement.
Yeah.
You can lose weight. Kamu tahu kalau kena wasababiti.
Iya.
Kila tunok kaya maku.
Iya.
Rongo diau.
Iya.
Kila nata tunggori. Tunggori rendo balu tumanayang. Agay tarto ya, lama ya. Nakani kakasami. Nakasami taka tungok ka ni onala. Bata na mo siya ni rendo kakasami na bangawat rendo balu tumanayang. Iyo ngo tunok ka beili.
Kakak sama tiga lal.
Kakasami tegela lo tunok ka ili. Kila nata tunggori. Balik ngacek. Nata tunggori. Enda ulutukin na yan.
Yan ang peli bola sa raw Central Chimay Guneda,
Right.
New South Wales.
Tuh bola.
Irka ngon ni nantar mga walur tu ko taka taka bese burubura.
Iya.
Lalu mo tiada peli bola may Australia.
Puluh naka.
Eh, minabalik punches.
New cream biscuit so creamy in every bite.
Binang di ko besera yang baki indilia.
Boleh
Benaka.
Ada benaka maramneta
Iya.
Jay sungu turang ada benaka.
Boleh naka.
Elestina itu karena yang ada benaka may nanggoro.
Andro naka.
Biri okesa.
Also.
Kesa maramni balu.
Andro naka.
Oh,
Kaya tita ko-
happy birthday.
Kita ko
Ano
ro
sinusunod
sa ngulu
ko?
kawalu kami ka place.
Iya.
O biri uli la kemba.
Pilih.
Ada benaka na mataka di moniti di ko.
Doon nak. Tama lep sarana mo ni sar tung mic doon mo like doon mo share. Siya taga nung page ko lewa na mer sarap talaga rin mo friends.
Iyo.
Na italano ni kakasami.
Iya.
Gobi na koro.
Kenda, kito gori.
Okay,
Kito job na magori.
Demes last one.
Mai.
Natapan tu pakalutu manengo mo.
Ode.
Kakasami.
Kakasabi me bimbi tolo.
Natapan tu kan tu pakalutu manengo mo.
Nadidi nga ba matak?
Uy.
Tidi pa matak.
Yang nga to baru tumanang guntiri ni on siya ngone kina.
Okay, alright, okay. Ako ya.
Yung ko sa kasi luto ka nengum.
Iyo ngo nakani laka.
Tama.
Lapa.
Tama lep sarap
Naka-
putus. New cream biscuit so creamy in every bite. So total ni mo takay umi ka galabola.
Kurmundu.
Engon de miska kaya.